Welcome back. We've covered the money and the tech. Now, we cover the most important question, the mission. Why does Bittensor have to exist? Let's divide into 6 aspects: economic, ideological, technical, stability, progress, and trust. Let's dive in. The world's most powerful AIs are locked inside a few massive corporations. This isn't just an inconvenience. It's a global existential risk. There are 6 fundamental issues with centralized intelligence. For every problem, Bittensor offers a decentralized economic solution. Problem 1, monopoly and price gouging. A centralized service, like a major cloud provider, can dictate prices because it has no direct competition. If only one company sold electricity, they could charge you $50 per hour because you have no other choice. The TEO answer: economic Bittensor creates a global, permissionless market for intelligence. Every miner is in constant, direct competition with every other. Unique value. This incentivized competition forces prices down to the true cost of compute, guaranteeing the lowest possible price for intelligence for the network. Problem 2, censorship and bias. Intelligence is not neutral. A centralized authority can deliberately filter data or apply bias to align with its political or commercial interests. Example: imagine a search engine that simply refuses to show you any results that contradict the owner's beliefs, cutting off access to information. The TEO answer: Ideological, the network is governed by the Yuma consensus and thousands of global, independent validators who demand diverse, accurate results. Unique value. Bittensor's architecture mandates politically neutral and globally sourced intelligence, making it anti-fragile to single-point ideological capture. Problem 3, data and model lock-in opacity. Centralized AI models are proprietary black boxes. You cannot see the code, the training data, or the model weights. Example: you buy a car, but the manufacturer refuses to let you open the hood, repair it, or even understand how the engine works. The TEO answer: technical Bittensor is open source by mandate. The models, code, and weights are shared on a permissionless ledger, allowing global scrutiny. Unique value. This fosters mass collaborative improvement and creates a transparent, auditable layer of intelligence that anyone can verify and build upon. Problem 4, single point of failure stability. A centralized server can crash, be hacked, or shut down by a single government order, killing the service instantly. Example: if your bank's single server crashes, everyone loses access to their money and services until it's fixed. The TEO answer: stability, the network is distributed across thousands of independent miner nodes globally. The intelligence is replicated and secured everywhere. Unique value. This provides antifragility. If 100 nodes fail, thousands of others pick up the slack instantly, ensuring uninterrupted service and security. Problem 5, innovation stagnation, progress. Talent is limited to only those hired by big tech. Progress is slow and inward focused. Example: the greatest engineer in the world, living outside Silicon Valley, cannot contribute their brilliance simply because they don't have the right employment badge. The TEO answer: progress Bittensor is permissionless. Anyone, anywhere, can run a miner, contribute intelligence, and be paid immediately in TAO based on the quality of their service. Unique value. This mobilizes the entire planet's computational and intellectual talent into a single, highly competitive market, accelerating AGI development exponentially. Problem 6, the black box problem, trust. Since the models are secret, we have no independent proof that the intelligence being sold is actually good or honest. Example: a consultant promises results, but you have no way to audit their work or verify their claims because they won't show you their process. The TEO answer: trust, the network's incentive mechanism is a public, transparent ledger of intelligence quality. Validators grade the miner's output live on the blockchain. Unique value. The TEO token is earned only through verified, auditable work. The token is the immutable receipt of verified intelligence. This is why open source is the only path. Join us for Video 4, where we cover the light paper, the Yuma consensus, and the architect behind this revolution, Jacob Steves, Const Reborn. Hope you learned something new today. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share, and subscribe to Buy Steak Chill. We bring you the real alpha. Cheers.